In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Jotform cards. Whether you're starting a new form from scratch or converting an existing one, using Jotform cards can provide a more interactive experience for your users. Let's get started by logging into your Jotform account. Once you've logged in, you're going to click on the Create Form button. Here, you have two choices: Start from scratch or Use Template. Both options are available, and you can choose whichever suits your needs best. For our purposes, we'll focus on the card form layout, which displays one question per page, making the interaction more engaging compared to the classic form, where all questions appear on a single page. If you're working with an existing form, don't worry, you can convert a classic form into a card form by navigating to Settings, followed by Form Settings, and then Form Layout. Moving on to adding questions. In the form builder, click on Add Form Element. This is where the true customization begins. You can select from a variety of question types, including short text, long text, multiple choice, single choice, and others like drop-downs, ratings, file uploads, and date picker. Every question you add will appear as a separate card in the form, providing a unique and interactive experience for users. Once your questions are in place, it's time to customize those cards. Click on a card and select Edit Properties. This is your opportunity to fine-tune each question. Change the titles, add descriptions, or insert helpful hints. If there's a question that requires mandatory input, you can make it a required field to ensure users provide an answer before proceeding. To enhance the appearance and feel of the cards, you can also visit Design and then Form Designer to modify colors, fonts, and styles. For an extra layer of engagement, consider adding images, videos, or GIFs to your cards. Now let's talk about adding logic to your form. While this step is optional, it can significantly improve user experience. Navigate to Settings, then Conditions to incorporate conditional logic within your form. For instance, you can configure certain cards to be shown or hidden based on previous answers. Additionally, if a specific condition is met, users can be redirected to a particular card, streamlining their journey through the form. It's also important to set up completion options for users once they've finished your form. Go back to Settings and select Thank You page. Here, you can decide between redirecting users to a new URL or displaying a custom thank you message on completion, providing a nice closing touch to their experience. Finally, once your form is ready to go, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button. You'll be offered various sharing options. You can copy the direct link, embed it on a website, or even share it via email or social media. One of the benefits of using card forms is that they are mobile optimized, ensuring you achieve high completion rates regardless of the device your audience uses. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating Jotform cards that are both interactive and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy form building!